In this video we will show you how to fit a from the anvil pewter patina thumb latch. When you buy a from the anvil thumb latch, you will receive thumb latch handle, latch bar, screw-on staple, staple pin, keep and fixing screws. You may choose either the staple pin, which needs driving into and through the door then clasping over, or the screw-on staple, which is surface fixed. Step 1. Place the latch bar and screw-on staple onto your door in the desired position, assuring that they are level. The traditional height of the thumb latch is around 1300mm from the floor, but can be fitted to suit your height or needs. Mark out the fixing holes and position of the thumb bar using a pencil. Step 2. Using a 2.5mm drill bit, drill the fixing holes, ensuring that you don't drill all the way through the door. Then using a 6mm drill bit, drill a hole for the thumb bar to be able to pass through and move up and down through the door. Step 3. Using the screws provided, fix the screw-on staple and latch bar to your door, ensuring that you don't tighten the screw for the latch bar all the way, so that it is still able to move. Step 4. Pass the thumb bar through the hole, making sure that the thumb bar goes underneath the latch bar. Step 5. Again, using a pencil, mark out the 6 fixing holes on the handle, and using a 2.5mm drill bit, drill the fixing holes, making sure not to drill all the way through the door, then fix the handle to the door. Step 6. Using a pencil, mark the position of the keep underneath the latch bar, and drill a pilot hole for the keep. Step 7. This part should ideally be done with a plastic or rubber hammer, as a metal hammer may spoil the finish. Finally, mark the fixing hole for the keep and screw in place. Step 8. Draw around the keep and latch at its highest position so you can route out the area on the architrave.